Do you want to finally walk down the aisle this year? Finally say I do to the love of your life. You want the family and friends to celebrate with you? You want to step into another new chapter of your life. I don't want you to see it as a dream because it is possible. Hi guys, welcome to my world. Welcome to the world of relationship and lifestyle. The only thing that gives me joy is when you have the best marriage and you are the best version of yourself. Guess what? All this I've mentioned before is not a dream, but it's a reality. I mean, for you to get married this year 2025. I'm here to share with you how to position yourself for marriage. This getting married is not just about you finding someone, what if you just get married and you're just living like that. No, it's about becoming the person you desire to attract. I mean the kind of person that attracts a lifelong partner. If it's to just pick somebody along the road and both of you start staying together, it is possible. But do you attract the person? The person attracts you, and that's why the first thing I want you to understand in this aspect is about you. You are so important, you are valuable, and that's why you cannot marry anybody anyhow. In marriage, there's need for you to understand and to know what you want. If I ask you now, what do you want? You will tell me it must have big balls, it must have big shapes, it must have this thing, it must have A shape. Be crystal clear about what you want in a life partner. It may be man, it may be woman, but you must understand. Not about physical things, not about face with pimples or no face with pimples. This is where most of us get it stuck. And we miss it in marriage. You begin to run after shadow. You begin to look after the surface. My dear, marriage is not about looking at the surface. We forget the deeper quality that makes a marriage work. It's not about what you see now. It's not about the clothing shape. It's not about the bulbs or the back or the face. So, as you're watching me, I want you to ask yourself, what value matter to me? And how did I want my future partner to treat me? Then you begin to treat yourself same way. Ask yourself, what kind of life did I want both of us to build together? When you understand this fact, then it will help you, to really strategize on what you want. The second tips that will help you to get married this year is position yourself to be at the right place to meet the right person. Understand this fact that there's no wrong time, but there's always a wrong place. Where do you put up? Do you always go? You want to get married. Are you in a place where right-minded people gather? Ask yourself. This is just about making yourself visible to the right people that will see you, that will appreciate you, and they will ask you out. I begin to mention wrong place. This video may take time. Try this year to stop being at the wrong place. You need to change your circle of friends. You need to be at the right place so that the right people will see you and they will ask you out. My dear brothers and sisters, it's time. The third aspect is be the best version of yourself. Every day I talked about this. It's not just about you getting married, but about you becoming the best version. See, nobody wants to marry a baby. Take time to grow mentally, emotionally, spiritually, grow yourself. Don't be a mommy boy. Everything that your girlfriend does, you will go and tell your parents. Everything she does, you will go and report her to her mommy, to her daddy. What is it? Be mature. Learn to communicate with confidence. Be in charge of your finance and, learn skills. Build yourself. And be the best version. Be a gift. Be happy with yourself that any man or any woman that marries you, marry a gift. Don't be a terror. Don't be a liability for anybody. Another thing I want you to know is don't ignore red flags. There are red flags everywhere. As you're dating now, you are noticing so many red flags. Don't ignore it. Either you correct it or you let go now. It's time for you to design. Don't rush into marriage because you want to pity her. You want to pity him. Let me just pity him. When you rush in, it will give you stress. So don't rush in. Just take time, design, Rushing into a relationship without a clear understanding is a mistake. Get to understand each other. Pay attention to compatibility. I want you to understand that if something feels off you, trust your instinct. It may not just be like that. You need to understand that life is not a bed of roses. Life will not give you what you want until you strive for it. And it starts by you. You don't need to fight for it. It's just small by small. You notice it, you bring it out, and you say, no, it doesn't have to go like this. You need to correct it. If not, are you getting value to this content? If truly, why not share this video? Let more people see this video so that people will not make mistake in getting married. Last one I want you to understand is stay committed to the process. The issue of finding the right partner, it takes patience and intentionality. It's not about rushing. I don't want you to give up in the issue of getting the right partner. It may take a bit longer, but for you to get the right partner is the key. And for you to enjoy your marriage is my prayer. You know what? Your kind of person is right out there, and you have to prepare yourself to meet him, to meet her. Because what? You have your own, I have my own. I want you to keep your heart open. Let your faith be strong. Stay focused, be consistent. With prayer, everything will work out perfectly for you. You will get married, you will enjoy your marriage. At the same time, if you need help, you need somebody to connect you to the right partner, you need somebody to advise you on the way to go, Jolly Joke Solution is there for you. I want you to know that this is your year, the year you will get your soulmate, start enjoying marriage, the year you will set. Is just a matter of consistent, looking good, and packaging well and committing everything into the hands of your maker, because he created you. He knows that you need to get married, and he will do it for you. I hope you enjoy this content. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. Let more people know that this year is their year. I cannot wait to read your success story. Bye.